A very good day to all of you from Team Wordaholics. At the beginning of this particular video, I just wanted to thank each one of you for helping us probably reach the milestone of 100 subscribers on YouTube. I guess by evening today or by early morning tomorrow, we'll be touching that particular subscriber base. Thank you everybody who has subscribed to our channel, and if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe. It gives us a lot of motivation for that. Moving on to the words quickly that we keep on discussing, the 5 words that we discuss on a daily basis. 5 words that you must absolutely know today are petrified, piecemeal, pigeonhole, pilfer and pillage. So we'll be moving on to the words one by one individually. The first word is petrified. Petrified basically means horrified, paralyzed, startled and stunned. Hindi would be hakka bakka reh jana. Antonym is fearless and sprightly. Antonym is fearless, just opposite of horrified is something that is fearless. Pronunciation is petrified. The focus is on double E. Petrified. It sounds like petrified. So what is the way in which you can remember this word permanently? The Wordaholics way. The Wordaholics way is through visuals, through underlining method and through mnemonics. So what is the mnemonic for this particular word? The word petrified, if you look at it on the left hand side that we have provided, looks like it is composed of 2 different words, pet and rifled. Rifled sounds like rifled, looks like rifled. So imagine that you are rifling, you are killing a particular pet of yours through a rifle. So what will other people who are watching this particular scene do? They will get horrified, they will get startled, they will get stunned by looking at this particular scenario, and that is how you remember this particular word. When you rifle your pet, people get startled, people get stunned. What are the various usages for this word? Shocked and petrified, petrified of ghosts. Sentence 1. 2017 is the year of horror movies that will leave you petrified. Annabelle Creation has already impressed horror movie lovers. Annabelle Creation was known when it petrified its viewers. Sentence 2. On reaching the Vadodara, SRK fans got on top of the train and started to bang on the rail compartments. Sunny Leone was visibly petrified of this fan frenzy. Looking at the number of fans Shah Rukh had, Sunny Leone got petrified. Sentence 3 and 4 you can do on your own by pausing the video. Moving on to the next word, piecemeal. Piecemeal is basically when you do something gradually at intervals in step-by-step manner. Hindi would be thoda thoda karke kisi kaam ko karna. Antonym in that case would be suddenly and all at once. Pronunciation, piecemeal. E-E-S, piecemeal. So again, coming back to the way in which we can remember this word permanently for a very, very long time. Imagine your meals of the day. The breakfast, the dinner and the lunch. In each of the meals you do not eat the entire fruit or the entire plate all at once. You don't gobble that up. You have it in pieces. Small pieces you cut off that particular chapati and then you have it. The mango, you do not have the entire mango in one go. You have that in pieces. So you have a piecemeal approach to your meals. So that is how you remember this word for a long time. What are the various usages? And mind you, these usages are the best of best usages that are available on the internet today. These are taken from the best of blogs, articles and magazines of the on the internet. So what are the various usages for this word? Piecemeal, piecemeal solutions, piecemeal manner. Sentence 1. Repairs need to be carried out over a period of 7 days instead of piecemeal approach. To do it fast, don't go in a piecemeal approach over a few months. That is what the repairs are being asked to be done. Sentence 2. Municipalities have been asked not to go for a piecemeal approach on waste disposal. Don't do it in a piecemeal approach. Do it fast and look at integral waste management solutions systems. Sentence 3 and 4 again you can do it on your own, and then we'll move on to the next word. The next word for the day is pigeonhole. Pigeonhole is basically categorizing something. You're just trying to categorize or class people, compartmentalize them, label them that they are of one kind, tag some people into a particular category. Hindi would be varg karna. Vargikrat karna is basically Hindi of pigeonhole. Antonym is disorder and scatter. If something is not in an order, if something is not in a compartment, it is scattered, it is disordered. Pronunciation is pigeonhole, pigeonhole. Now again, the Wordaholics way of remembering this particular word for a very, very long time. If you look at pigeons, they are basically birds, and birds of a feather. We have that saying that birds of a feather flock together, right? They always move in a group. So you can label the whole of pigeons. Pigeon whole consists of two different words. On the left hand side, if you look at it, consists of pigeon and whole. Whole sounds like WHO, holy, which is complete. So all the pigeons is what the meaning is. All the pigeons will behave in a particular way because birds of a feather flock together. So that is how you'll remember this particular word. Ki if you are pigeonholing somebody, you are just trying to classify somebody ki they will behave in a particular way. Birds behave in a particular way, so these people will also behave in a particular way. So what are the various usages? Moving on to the usages. Sentence 1, attempt to pigeonhole. Don't pigeonhole me. Don't classify me. Don't categorize me. Sentence 1, people pigeonhole actors into specific roles. Like Shah Rukh is known for a romantic hero and Amitabh Bachchan the angry young man in the initial period of his actor profile. Now, sentence 1, people pigeonhole actors in a specific role. They think that the actors have nothing else to offer other than the stereotype characteristics and characters. Sentence 2, lawmakers pigeonhole women into boxes. Married, unmarried, 15 to 18, below 15, instead of seeing us as ordinary women. Sentence 3 and 4 you can do on your own. Now, for your information, just one important quick bit that I wanted to tell you before we go to the next word. All these 1200 words that we have discussed in this particular shortcut way of mnemonic way of remembering the words through visuals and underlining are available in the link that has been provided with this particular YouTube video. You can go to the link description and you can have a look at all these 1200 words in one go. You can find it all under one place. Now, moving on to the next word is pilfer. Pilfer is basically to thieve something, to snatch, to rob, to walk off with. Hindi would be धीरे धीरे चुराना. धीरे धीरे, not immediately. Somebody takes something, it's in a slow and steady manner, in a small pieces. If something is being thieved or it has been snatched away from you. Antonym is give an offer. If somebody is taking something from you, then the antonym would be to give an offer. Pronunciation is pilfer. Now, what is the way in which you can remember this word for a long time? Mnemonic. Imagine you are having pills, and on a daily basis somebody is taking those pills, not the entire bottle, but he's taking the pills individually, one by one or two by two, or maybe 10 pills at a time, but he's not taking the entire bottle along with him. He's just snatching and thieving small pills from your bottle of the entire medicine box. So if he's snatching the pills, then he will move away. He'll move away from you because he will get fearful of you. He will move far from you. So after snatching the pills, they will move far from you, and they're snatching the pills, not the entire bottle. So pilfer is basically thieving, but not the entire bottle, not the entire thing. In a small quantity, they are basically moving away with your particular thing. So what are the various usages? First one is pilfering of petroleum products. Pilfer-proof gas cylinders. Sentence 1, several trips are made by water tankers in the city, which pilfer the water from civic supply only to sell it for profit. Sentence 2, Mumbai cars get water hardly for 20 to 25 minutes, and over 27% of water either gets stolen or is pilferaged. We'll move on to the last word for the day. That is pillage. Pillage is basically robbing, raiding, plundering, looting and marauding. It's basically leaving no stone unturned to plunder the entire area. That is pillage. Pillage is Hindi would be lootna and dakaiti karna. Lootna and dakaiti karna is basically pillage. Antonym is to construct. If you have raided something, if you have plundered something, then what is the opposite? You can construct something. You can improve on that particular thing. Pronunciation is pillage. So how do you remember this word for a long time? Through the Wordaholics way, through underlining and visuals. Look at the particular word on the left hand side, the visual that we have provided on the left hand side of this particular page. You find a particular village which has been totally raided, totally plundered. So when earlier when armies used to come into a particular village, they used to plunder the entire village. Pillage sounds like village. Whenever a war used to happen between two countries, between two rulers, then the entire villages used to get plundered. So pillage sounds like village. Villages were raided whenever a war used to happen. So villages are pillaged in a war. That is how you remember this word. Villages are pillaged. Villages are pillaged during any kind of war beyond recognition. They are raided, they are plundered, they are looted. So that is how I remember this word for a long, long time. What are the various usages? Pillage and torture. Pillage national resources. Sentence 1. The mob continued to burn and pillage the society despite the presence of police. Sentence 2. Round the clock mining with earth movers have pillaged the Shivalik foothills, making flash floods and landslides common. We'll do one more word over here. Some nuisance creators pelted stones at the Ram Navami procession. What followed was arson and pillage on the houses and shops nearby. We'll finish with that particular thing. Word 4 you can do by pausing the particular video and having a look at it. With that particular word, we have reached to the end of the presentation for today. And as we keep on saying with Wordaholics, keep sounding sophisticated and keep scoring more. And we have an earnest request, please do keep on sharing these words with whomever you feel, your friends, your relatives, colleagues, whomever you feel can benefit from these particular words, because